Welcome to our channel. We are Sara
and Janis,
and together we wear stripes.
Again in Greece. We were here 7 years ago and again here, and I like Greece. There are lots of things why I like Greece. It's the people here, of course. In southern part of Europe, everyone are so
relaxed, friendly,
and enthusiastic about everything around. Yeah. So it's been really great to be here. And of course, Greece has also benefits of parking your van just beside the beach.
Crystal clear turquoise water. Now it doesn't really seem that way because it's overcast and a bit crappier weather. But there's plenty of beaches and you can have this gorgeous beach just by yourself. So there's plenty of room and not crowded place at all.
And of course, Greece weather is much rainier and much colder than in Spain. Or not much, but a little bit. Really, you can get your van to the beach in off-season time and also in a high season time. High season time there is a couple of things that you have to take consider. All the bars and pubs and hotels are full, so don't just block their visitors and you are okay. For example, now when we are here, it's like middle of nowhere. There is a huge beach over there which has a beach bar on the summertime, but a couple of 100 meters away from that bar you can easily spend a night or two there and enjoy the beach.
The weather is a bit grey and very typical winterish day in Greece, and we did check out the weather forecast and it's going to be rainy and daylight is kind of short during the winter time, so we try to make the best of it. So let's go a little walk and explore this area.
Yeah, and in Greece there's a lot of stray dogs, so your tires will be always pissed. Yeah, dogs come to actually piss on the tires, so you will always have to wash them regularly. This is our camping spot, just a little opening on the road that goes just beside the beach. Really nice. During the summer months these are totally full, these places, and there is hotels around here, so lots of people. There are like hundreds and hundreds of umbrellas on that bar over there. Yeah, these beach don't have any toilets. Usually only on the cities there is a toilets for people that are spending time on the beach, and yeah, there's a lot of around the bushes. Yeah, it's raining outside, so we need to make something active. So cleaning up all the plastics in our van. Yeah, they will accumulate a lot of mess. So just using a towel and lots of time to make these parts shine.
I really admire Joni doing all the nitpicking things, like when he sees a spot, he's so determined to take it away.
Yeah, a little bit of autism. Helps a lot.
Lucky me. And it gets incredible dusty here. I don't know if it's because we have a doggy here or is it just dust from the streets and the sands, but everything is really yucky. And white color only looks cute on Instagram, not in reality when you live in a van.
So, beige is better. Like
yeah.
This. It hides a little bit of that mess.
And grey is also good. Looks always clean, even it's not. But never go white, you will regret it. The seawater definitely is not that warm anymore, but you can make there a quick plunge, and it's always good feeling when you have cleaned it yourself. Ooh, let's go enjoy coffee. The van is spotless now, and almost all the shitty things are done, so Joni is doing the dishes, and we are going to treat ourselves with a good beverage. Greek beverage. And our Edgard, the crow lamp, got broken again, so now there's only his legs. We need to buy some really heavy duty glue and put the Edgard back on the wall. We try so often these bumpy roads, so it happened, but it lasted almost 6 months on the wall. Yeah. We are trying to keep him alive.
Yes, we are gonna make a frappe. We have now tasted three different kind of instant coffees, and this is our favorite. 2 Nescafes weren't this good as Tiziamake's Cafe Classic. So it's Bellarom from a little, really good. Frappe is really easy to do. If you watch the recipes on the internet, they always say that you need a frotter for making frappes foam, but when you live in a van you have to live what you have, so normal fork, it's enough. I have made actually whipped cream with this fork. It takes time, but it still works. Frappe is really easy to do. We nowadays use condensed milk. This is not like this thick condensed milk, this is like a milk-like product, but we like it better than plain instant coffee. And medium sweetness for frappes. And compared to Greek people that don't like the foam on top because it's too bitter, we actually like it. So we drink and eat the whole frappe. Yeah, easy to make. Just put sugar and instant coffee, not that much, little bit water and shake.
One side note, we tried to make a healthy frappe, so frappe without the sugar, and it doesn't foam very well and the taste is not good, so it needs a little bit sugar, of course. It needs to taste sweet.
And after 1 minute of shaking you have made a lot of foam. Then let's put milk. Approximately that much. And water, and you have tasty frappe. Yeah, it's faster to make frappe than normal coffee, so this is our way of treating ourselves after
Cleaning day.
Cleaning day. Not beer this time. Yeah. Again, this has the peninsula effect on this place. It promised the whole day of rain days, but it rained like 2 hours. And we can see that on the shoreline over there it's raining, so whenever it's rainy days, go to peninsula and you can find the sun. It's cold. Sun went actually to the clouds, so the wind is quite brutal because we are on the peninsula, on the end of the peninsula, so it winds a lot in here. So even if you go walking in the winter time, you need to have a long sleeve shirt.
This gravel road is great because there's no housing or big roads next to us, so we are in total silence. And if you have watched our videos, you sure know that we have a tiny pup, Pulla, traveling with us. But Pulla has not been very active a few days, so he sleeps a lot. I don't think it's nothing wrong with him, but he just needs so much more rest. And nowadays he walks so slowly, so we just let him sleep in our van and just walk with the humans, so we can have like more steps. Does it make any sense? This peninsula is super cute, and when it's a hot day you can park your van in this underneath these beautiful gorgeous pine trees, and you can have like your own private little beachfront to the Mediterranean Sea. Yeah, we love it. We might come here. Plenty of docks, fallen docks and docks that are intact, and bunch of boats in this lagoon, and it's super windy here, so let's continue walking. Ta-da! And this beach and pine forest, it just continues, and this part is surprisingly clean. So all these different kind of beaches that you can choose. I think a lot of fishermen will use this spot, and beautiful main road here. Gorgeous.
We saw there was a motorhome here just when we started walking, so I think they went to the grocery store and left all their gear here to reserve a spot.
In this beach there's plenty of cats, like stray animals, and it's kind of hard to see because there's usually a lot of cats that are pregnant and tiny little kittens, and I think some people just give water to them, but mainly they eat from the trash cans. And this beach only have a few stray puppies, but bunch of cats. It's heartbreaking to see. Yeah, this is Greece.
The cove itself is man-made, so they are keeping it clear for the boats. It's like a harbor type thing, and lots of fishermen again here. They have exact spots that they go all the time, so but we never see them catching anything, so it's strange that they just sit there and try to fish, never catch anything. Yeah, our van is like in the other side over there, and gonna spend at least this night there, and then maybe move to the other side where those spots were.
We were hoping we could just cross this little stream, but it seems like it's really deep, so we have to walk all the way back behind this lagoon. Yatsu, good news! Finally we could score some dry soy from AB store, and we always take the ingredients out of these packs and put them in the containers so they fit better in our compact kitchen. And kebab is not the product itself, it's the shape of the product, and because it's somewhat gloomy day, we are going to pull out our Omnia oven and make some kebab stew in it with the beans. That little oven gets surprisingly hot, and also because this is such a compact base, it gets hot inside of the van too because of the oven. Yeah, it's better to cook these stewy oven foods when it's rainy. After a long 30 minutes, I think our bean stew is ready.
And if we think about Greek food that they eat, they don't eat meat during the weekdays, or mostly. They eat a lot of beans and lentils, lentil soups, and that kind of food. So bean stew is, I think it's Greek food. So
at least now it is.
At least now it is. But Oh, so good.
This is surprisingly good.
Yes.
We did put a little bit of feta cheese there.
It makes always good food.
And this vegan cake.
Again.
We are addicts. Obsessed with this.
Oh yeah, Greek people eat a lot of beans and lentils and bean soups and that kind of things. Not just pita and souvlakis or moussakas. Yeah, I think they eat more like those kind of foods on the weekends time and on the weekdays. You can actually see the local diet from the grocery store. There are a lot of beans and lentils in the store, so compared to Finland, for example.
Yeah, it's weird. We don't use beans, basically.
We use a lot of potatoes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so bad at vlogging. Usually we make stews on the Omnia grill or lasagnette. Those are the like regular things that we do. But also we make bread. So we just forgot to film it. It's just a normal dough and put it there and let it be for 20 minutes. It smells good.
The smell of hot steamy bread in your van is so cozy. It's really comforting smell. It's really good smell. I hope you would have a smell-o-vision. Fresh baked bread. You know those annoying couples that spend a lot of time with each other and then they start to look like each other, so I'm guessing it's a stripe day. We are the great team. High five, great team.